at one Kimboy. Now, counties are in the process of transitioning to the use of green energy in the next 10 years in an effort to reduce fossil fuel utilization. According to Martin Masege, County Executive Taita Taveta, the Green Energy Initiative is geared towards attaining a sustainable renewable power future. According to the country executive, by legislating the new necessary laws, counties will start a roadmap towards attaining their 100% goal by 2035.
We're looking at how can we address debt through renegotiating and cancelling odious debt, through a debt resolution facility. How can we replace fossil fuel revenues at scale and at speed, including for fossil fuel consuming countries like Kenya, to reduce the imports from fuel costs, and also new forms of trade and innovative financing.
But the national government has to set the national policy so that we have uniformity all over the country, because the resource is the same, especially the main electricity resource from the main grid. But a lot of counties are working on their own mini grids, mainly from renewable energy sources. So there are quite a number of projects that are taking shape within the counties.
Now, farmers from Embu and neighboring counties